Planers let you shave off small amounts of wood from boards to remove imperfections, to change the size, or to add embellishments to the edges. Today we're going to look at a family of handheld electric planers from a company called TopShak. TopShak is a family of 3 planers, and they sent them to me for an honest review. I make no money or commission off these products. So I'm about to open up these planers. You'll see they save some money on the packaging. These are very plain boxes. No costs incurred for studio photography, package design, or copywriting. So let's go ahead and get these out of the boxes so we can have a closer look. Inside the box is the tool itself. It's 110 volts and is powered by plugging it into a receptacle. There's also a dust bag that has a zipper opening to empty it. There's an edge guide, some fastening hardware for it. In the hardware bag there are a few tools to remove the blades when they need to be sharpened. There's also an instruction booklet and a warranty card. TopShak makes 3 models of these hand planers, so let's take a moment to compare what's similar and different between these models. Basically there's a small, medium, and larger size. The larger the size, the more powerful the motor, and the higher the amp rating. They're all 110 volt AC with a power cord that's about 6 feet long. Each unit comes with a zippered sawdust collection bag. All come with an edge guide designed to fit that particular machine. All have a trigger that activates the tool, and they all come with a dual safety mechanism to prevent accidental activation of the motor. All of them have adjustable knobs at the front that set the depth of the blades to determine how much wood will be shaved off with each pass. The 2 smaller units have some features the larger one does not have. First, the dust bag is reversible, so you can exhaust the sawdust in either direction. They have a kickstand that automatically deploys when you set the tool down. The blades spin for a bit once your finger comes off the trigger, and the kickstand prevents the blades from accidentally damaging your board. And now it's time to put these to the test. I'm starting off with the smallest and the least expensive model. This one's about $50 Canadian. I made these pieces of testing stock. Each consists of a piece of pine, particle board, and oak. They're fastened together, but in a manner that creates an uneven surface, perfect to test these planers on. I adjusted the thickness dial to 3/64 of an inch, and this planer has no problem at all removing the wood. The first couple of passes are done without the edge guide, and then I add that for the next few. On this model, the edge guide is very simple to install. Just pass the rod through the housing and tighten the thumb screw at the desired location. Several more passes removes the protruding edges from the 3 boards, and I very quickly have a flat, even surface across all 3 of them. But the sawdust bag fills up quickly. It's simple to empty, but a better solution is to hook the exhaust port to a shop vac. I used a bit of tape to hold this in place. The end result is perfect. I started with 3 boards that were offset from each other, and now, after just a few passes with the planer, they're all uniformly shaved to the same depth. I'm going to repeat this test using the other 2 larger sized planers. This is the medium sized planer. I really don't notice any performance changes from the smaller model. It weighs in at 7.5 pounds, so it's about half a pound heavier than the smallest one. This larger size model also lets you shave off a little deeper amount of material in a single pass. And this is the largest model. It weighs in at almost 10 pounds. And it doesn't have the little kickstand on the bottom, and the exhaust port only discharges to the right side of the tool. All 3 planers handled surfacing these boards about the same. These planers are also set up to add a chamfered edge to a board. Chamfering is a technique where you add a blunt edge to the corner. The planers have grooves on the bottom plate that helps you achieve that. Lining up the groove with the corner of the board lets you make a controlled pass along the board and replaces the sharp edge with one that is mitered. From time to time, it will be necessary to sharpen the blades. Make sure the tool is unplugged and then use the tools provided to remove both of the blades from the spindle. Loosen the 3 small screws in the front of the blade assembly and it will come out. Once sharpened, return them by reversing that procedure. This chart shows the similarities and differences of each model. Many of the features exist in all models, and this chart highlights where there are differences. So which of these should you buy? For me, it's a simple choice. The best value is the smallest and least expensive of the 3 planers. Why? It has a 6-amp motor and that compares very well with many of the national brand planers on the market. It has dual function exhaust ports, has a kickstand that protects your workpiece, has imperial measurements, it has a full 3-inch planing width, plus it's lightweight and it has the most simple to attach edge guide. Whatever one you choose, be sure to wear safety goggles and respect the fact that these tools have very sharp blades. Thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel.